Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money to Egypt using Remitly. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and open your app and then log in. Then at the bottom, you want to click on the manage icon. Then from here, you want to change the sending to Egypt. So scroll all the way down, look for Egypt. There we go. Then once this one loads, go ahead and proceed by clicking send. And then from here, you want to choose the amount that you will be sending. And then let's say, for example, that's $100. And then choose the payment method. Let's say, for example, debit card. After that, scroll down and hit continue. On the next page, you want to choose the delivery method. We have several options there, but let's just say bank deposit. After that, go ahead and review this. It should have a fee discount normally, but once you're done reviewing it, just go ahead and click continue. Then you want to select your recipient's bank account. So let's say National Bank of Egypt. Just click that. And then from here, you want to enter the recipient bank details. After that, just go ahead and continue and follow the prompt. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to transfer money to Egypt using Remitly. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.